welcome to Everything Almost. I have a new video for you. Some more information on Product List Genie. So basically, they've made quite a few changes, added some new things to help you get going, to get your first sales going. So I want to go over a few of those with you, kind of give you the rundown. But okay, so basically what you have here is this is the main menu when you log into your Product List Genie account. And basically what you're going to see is this page, and everything is pretty much self-explanatory. If not, of course, you can click in it. So where we're going to start is start here. All right, so the cool part is you may be overwhelmed to get started, building your first Shopify store, or you may already have one but need some pointers, or you may need instructions on how to set up your Product List Genie account and everything. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on start here. And the cool part is they have a 7-day challenge to help you get your first sale online. So it's pretty awesome. So basically on day one, you can click on day one. It's going to take you through the different days. And the cool part is if you're one of those type of people who don't like to read, then you actually have videos. So as you can see, day one shows you the video on everything you need to know, from how to set up, says here how to get your Shopify account set up, how to set up Shopify, which is awesome. Next, it even has a link here that you can click to take you there. And then it'll tell you how to connect Product List Genie to your Shopify store, which is really quick. And then you have another video that says browse viral products. And basically it's going to show you how to browse products, or how to search products that are viral, that are really popular. Okay. Then you have further research to find a winner. So basically it just helps you, this video will help you pinpoint exactly, a winning product that you can add to your new Shopify store, or even an existing Shopify store. That's day one. So let's go back and take a look at day two. All right, so day two. All right, not gonna go through necessarily all the days, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that all the help you need is here. You don't, I don't want to put it harshly, but it is what it is. A lot of people tend to make excuses on they don't know how to do anything. They don't want to sit in front of a computer and spend all day learning something. Well, this is not that. You watch a few minute videos, you can see. Let's take a look here and see how long this one is. So this video,
let's rub the lamp a little more, and then
if you come down here, this is the Product List Genie theme. They have a light version and a pro version. The next version up from light, pro version. And the light version is what they give you to start off with, but if you need more features, more options, then you can go to the next version of the pro version. And I hear a lot of people, they make a lot of excuses based on not having the time to do it. Well, to be honest with you, you have to make time to get it better, to get a better life, to get better things. You have to sit down and make time. If you have TV shows you watch, put those on the side burner. Your TV shows will always be there. You can Hulu your TV shows, and take that time to learn how to, be financially free, to be able to do what you want, to be able to binge watch any of your TV shows you want, or whatever the case may be. You have to make time to get better. So basically this here teaches you how to install the Product List Genie Lite theme, which is a theme that's optimized to help your product sell better. Themes are important. And then this here is pretty awesome. I was playing around with it a little bit yesterday, but they're going to actually teach you how to get a free logo. Now logos can cost you $200-300. If not, you don't believe me, do a research and you'll find out that logos can be up there. But this here will teach you, if you want to make a simple logo for now, maybe you want to get a better one later, then you could do that too. But for now, if you just wanted a a logo and you want to do it yourself to maximize your budget, save more money, then you can go here and you click here, and this will take you to get a logo. If by some chance the make logo doesn't work, the link doesn't work, 'cause I can see that, it's not changing, so it may not work, then right here, editor.freelogodesign.org is where you would go. It's right there on the screen, so you can't miss it. But when I was playing around with it yesterday, I did notice that the make logo button does not work, so hopefully they'll get that fixed. I'm going to send them a message to let them know that that's not working. But either way, you can get your logo. You can, this video will teach you how to add your products. And this here will teach you how to install Facebook Business Manager. All these things will be explained to you as you go through the days. As you can see, this is day 2. So let's go back and let's click through another day. As you can see, there are 7 days here to help you get to start making money. What I like about Product List Genie is that the research that it takes for you to find a winning product, or a product that is going to actually make you money, products that people are actually looking for. Product List Genie helps you do that. And I mean, no questions asked. They give you everything you need, down to what to post in your ads on Facebook. And not only that, after we click on day 3 here, I'm going to show you something pretty cool that they have, another feature. But let's take a look through this. All right, so they're even going to teach you how to create a fan page on Facebook, which is awesome. They're going to tell you about the Facebook Pixel, which is cool. It helps you monitor visitors to your site and things of that nature, so you can understand what's working and what's not working. Okay, then they're going to actually teach you how to create a Facebook campaign to start marketing your products, and creating the ads for your products on Facebook, creating ad sets. I mean, everything you need is here. There's no excuses for anyone not to be able to do this and make money. Okay, and all the videos you need is there. So like I said, I'm not gonna go through everything, but this is something you could do once you actually get in on the inside. I want to keep this video short, but either way, so let me show you this other cool thing that they did. So sometimes you may want to know what other people are doing. So what type of ads they're doing, what their ads look like, what's winning for someone else, and what works for other people may not work for you. But in the game or the business of owning your own Shopify store, it takes testing. You may put one ad up, it may not work. You put a second ad up, maybe add some emojis or some type of video or something of that nature, that may work better than the one before. Or the first one may work, but the one with video may not. I mean, it's a testing. I mean, you test. You may do 2 ads, $5 a day each, and see which one, give it 2 or 3 days, or, a day or 2. At least I recommend 3 days. And then, you go in and you check to see which ad is getting the most clicks, the most people's eyeballs on it. And then, if one isn't doing so well or not doing good at all, you basically pause the ads or stop the ads for that particular ad, so you don't, lose money. And you take the money that you were putting into the ad that wasn't working and double up on the one that is working. So it's a testing thing. But here's something cool. If you want to, basically spy on other people to see what type of ads is working for them, then this is cool. You click here and you go to Ad Spy. Ad Spy. All right, once you click there, and I'm going to show you. All right, so here's some very popular sites, multi-million-dollar sites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this one in first, Movement Watches, and what it's going to do is it's going to actually tell you what ads they're running currently, like right now, running on Facebook that's working for them. So once you click on the, to get to this screen, once you put the web address in, it brings you to this page. So you click here, and then it's pretty awesome. Watch this. Bam. It brings up active ads from Movement. So this is the actual Movement page. As you can see, it's a verified page, so you know it's the real site. a real Facebook page for the company. And this actually shows you here active ads for movement. So it's pretty cool. And it says here Facebook is showing you ads. This page is currently running to provide more transparency into advertising. Offers and pricing may not apply to you, but either way, you can go down here and see, this is the ad they're running for Black Friday. Black Friday is coming up here in a few days. But either way, you can go through here, take a look. So it's pretty awesome. You can't beat that. Now maybe if you was to take an ad, like take your product that you have and add, Black Friday sale on there similar to this. You could try it this way. You could try, put sale on top and put Black Friday on bottom. It's whatever you want to do. But this is working for them, or else they wouldn't be running the ad. Okay, so the ad, or as you can see, it says sponsored. So it means they're actually paying for this ad. Okay, so these ads are working, and this gives you an idea on the little things you can do. Some people may just throw this picture up with the watch on it, nothing on there, but you want people to know it's a Black Friday sale, so you throw that there, or maybe 50% off, or 20% off, or 20% off Black Friday sale, or something of that nature. So it's pretty awesome the things you can do with that. But let's go back and take a look at this other one. All right, so a lot of people have heard of this very popular site. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go over here. We're going to click on Ad Spy, and we're going to pop this web address in there. Bam. Once you click that button, it brings you here. Click to see their ads. Same thing as before. It's going to bring up the ads this company is currently running on Facebook. As you can see here, it says free worldwide shipping, 24 hours only. And you can see this is ColourPop Cosmetics. Okay. So as you scroll down here, same thing. You can see it's the same thing before. They have a video talking about this particular product. So that's pretty awesome. And you can kind of get an idea of what's working for other people. So that's pretty cool. I like that particular feature. Now, let's see. So basically, those are a few of the new things that they have. We'll go through here, and they have, quite a few other things that you can actually look through when you get your 14-day trial that they give you. It's a free trial. Just click the link below. They'll lead you there. Just give you a heads up. The link is my affiliate link. So basically that just means that, it will actually help me to continue doing these videos if you decide you want to give Product List Genie a try if you use my link. But, just want to give y'all another video. I'm going to start doing more videos and going through things for Product List Genie, more regular. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. All right. Well, hey, it's been good showing y'all some of the new features that Product List Genie has. They actually add new ones on a regular basis, and just give you something else real quick. Hold on before I let you go. Let's do this real quick. Something else I wanted to show you. Let's see. Let's go here. See if I can get to where I want to get to here real quick. All right. So basically, a lot of people need help with certain things. So let's go here. I'm going to show you this real quick. And it's something new that I just found. So excuse me if it's taking a little bit. But anyway, so right here, free demo. So this is awesome. So you click on this. Let's say that you're overwhelmed and you need, more hands-on help or more direct help. Okay. So this is pretty awesome. So you click here, and this right here, you can schedule your 30-minute free demo session. So it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is you pick your where you are, as you can see, different options here. All right. And then you pick your time zone. All right. And then you say continue. And the cool part here is you can get a 30-minute free demo session. It's pretty awesome. It says, let us show you what Product List Genie is about. And you have your days availability, your days here, and then your time slots available. So we'll go down here, and I'm gonna play this little short video real quick so you get an idea of what this is.
This is Coach Johnny, actually Coach Genie, and I wanna help you become successful with Product List Genie. How can I help you? Actually, okay, remember the three components to become successful in the internet, especially on e-commerce, is you have to have a good product, okay? Your store needs to be optimized for mobile conversions, number 2. And number 3 is the process of creating the ads, the ad copy, the video, the targeting, and a couple other things. So what I want to offer to you is a complimentary free demo, 20-30 minutes, where we're going to look at your computer, at your process, to make sure that you're picking the right product, that your store looks decent to convert, and that your ad actually is the right way to do it, so you can have maximum success with Product List Genie.
Okay, so that right there tells you everything you need to know. I mean, you need help, everything is here. You get a free demo, they'll show you how to set up everything. And once they do, they'll show you what you need to do and help you understand, what needs to be understood in order to make money. And the cool part is when you run a Shopify store, it's not something that you have to, sit at forever. It's one of those, it's not like when I say forever, I mean, like most people think that you have to be at your computer all the time monitoring things. But the cool part is it's a store. It's just like Walmart, but digital. It's online. So if you have another job you want to do just to test this out, then do it. Keep doing your job. Come home, set up your store while you're at work, at your regular job. Then you can have a Shopify store making you extra money on the side, and it'll run itself, So, I mean, it's pretty cool stuff. I mean, hey, you can't beat it. But anyways, this is Anthony Johnson from Everything Almost. You have a good day, and I'll be back soon with more videos. Have a good one. Please like and subscribe.